The joystick designed by Montini for maximum ergonomics ensures a simpler, less tiring and more accurate use of the lift truck for the driver. Supplied as an optional, the Montini joystick offers maximum ergonomics due to the plastic shape of the adjustable armrest, which can be easily locked in any position. Now let's analyze the functions. Lifting and lowering the load. Tilting the load forwards and backwards. Side shift of the load to the right or left. Function reserved for the use of auxiliary equipment. Forward and reverse gear selector switch only when the truck has a single pedal. Horn. Emergency button. The Montini joystick guarantees effort reduction, reduction of the occupational diseases due to incorrect postures and muscular tensions, great comfort for the operator, maximum productivity through the use of two operative functions at the same time as the lifting unit, maximum safety due to the automatic lock when lowering the load with the key in the off position or without the key inserted. Furthermore, the possibility to inhibit all the mast functions when the operator comes down from the truck, carelessly leaving the key in the on position. A Montini joystick for less effort and more work in total safety.